Alright, so I'm over by the ballroom now. Let's have a look inside here.
Moving on, and it's the wonderful waltz. Please welcome to the floor juvenile couples, Blake and India, Zeb and Cheyenne, Connor and Abby, Hugo and Joanna. Blake and India, you are children. I'm going to ask Blake and Indy to take the floor again as our junior dancers, and Sarah and Cheyenne as the juvenile dancers. Thank you.
Start, Phil. This is Governor House. Look at the size of this place. Wow.
And that's executive council room through that way.
This is the executive council room. Check this place out. Fireplace. Big room. Beautiful paintings.
Yes. To the right is the executive council room, and then your next room is the royal room.
Yeah, this is the type of room that Bruce Wayne would have. Batman was on. Just realizing how underdressed I am today. Ceiling this place. Wow. Check out this portrait. Wow.
Hello. And the thrones that you see next door, they were made for when they were still the Dutch, the Duke and Duchess, the Queen Mary. And they were made here in Western Australia. No other house has got more.
Wait, did you say something was made in Western Australia?
Yes. Well, no, well, a lot of the stuff is from the like for instance, our beautiful little Jarrah.
I know, this is beautiful. Look at this.
People wonder where our beautiful forests have gone, but we've saved them, you see.
It's still taking oxygen.
Yes.
I don't know about creating it, it's taking it.
I know, the whole beautiful thing is that one thing that we don't learn is that everything's, we regenerate. If we took and put back, it would be a beautiful thing, but we just want to take and not put back.
Very true.
Yeah.
This place is beautiful. Look at that scene. You do not see houses like that anymore.
Yeah. Well, it was nearly lost as well. When before the air cons and things like that, they actually used to have fake ceilings to keep the house a little bit cooler and warmer. And luckily, they didn't pull down the ceilings.
I'm surprised with the garden tour they were saying the white ants ate the last one.
Yes. But there is remnants. If ever you go to the old courthouse, the white building, the columns that were added later, but they came from the Stirling house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to check that out.
Welcome.
Working, yes. Yeah, great. Hi guys, welcome. So this is our yellow room. On this side we call it the drawing room, and on this side we call it the music room. It's because we used to have that big piano in here. So on this side, when the governor has calls with academic organisations or a diplomat or a visiting ambassador, they'll have that meeting here. And then on this side, it doesn't usually look like this. We have swearing-in ceremonies, morning teas. Thoriums are not usually here. This is a display of all the little things that the governor and Mrs. Dawson brought back when they went to the coronation earlier this year. So you've got the original booklet from Queen Elizabeth's coronation on the left here, and then the most recent coronation on the right. And this is the invite that they received, unframed, obviously, to attend. And then this picture here is when the Queen visited. And I don't know the date, I apologise. I'm moving around, so I have too much to remember. Exactly.
Again, the mirror is just.
So is this the governor's office, is it?
No, this is the official secretary's
The
office.
secretary's
Yeah,
office.
so he's like the CEO.
He's the CEO.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm in the wrong job. It's a fancy office. So this is the governor's office.
It is, yes.
Wow. I'm definitely in the wrong job. The chandelier. Wow. There's the original coat of arms. Beautiful upstairs architect. It's probably where he lived.
I'm taking care.